Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Codewars profile syncing to LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Codewars website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. For new users, select the Join option. Fill in the required information, including your username, password, and email. Review and accept the terms of service. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once logged in, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Profile tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the LinkedIn section. Click on the Connect LinkedIn button. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and log in. Authorize Codewars to access your LinkedIn profile. Once authorized, return to the Codewars profile settings. Verify that your LinkedIn profile is now linked to your Codewars account. Make sure to save any changes if prompted. To check the synchronization, go to your Codewars profile page. You should now see your LinkedIn details reflected on your Codewars profile. You have successfully registered and synced your Codewars account with LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.